what you see in the title is exactly what happened to me. Yeah, man, the police, they make an example out of me. Yes, they make an example out of me before the year finish off. Yeah, man, before 2025 finish. Yes, so I've been driving around with a crack in my windscreen for a while now. Yes. Yeah, man, I got a couple stops from police, and I usually just tell them a story, but the story when I tell them, it is definitely true. Yeah, I tell them, say, I try to get it, but I not get it. You know, when you come on to car, you know, sometimes when you check for your part and you can't find the parts in Jamaica, you check around and you can't get it, you try for sources and online and them things there. Sometimes I get frustrated and you just stop sourcing for a while, you know what I mean, and then you would there and meditate back again and check for the parts again and thing. But in this case, it's a while since I never really check back for it, you know what I mean. So anyways, it was about 3 weeks after Hurricane Melissa passed. I head to Portland from Portmore, because I did the Portmore for over the week. So you know, I go in now. I go to Portland now and thing. Yeah, because you know Portland is my main place. You know, it's a Portland which I'm really live, you know. Anyways, so there I go Portmore. But there I go Portland and things. So you know, there I go through peaceful everything, alright and thing. And I go through Stonehill, you know. I go through Stonehill town, and you know, when I go down the hill, and there's the police them they down at the hill foot. Yeah man, go down the hill, then they down there wait for me. Yes, I'm there that wait for. Yeah man, so anyways, they stop me and you know, Transport Authority was there. Yes, the moment I see Transport Authority, I know it's a trouble there. And you know, I always pray. Them normally stop we private people, you know, we with the white plate when I run taxi. Them not really stop with that often like how they stop taxi man. Yeah, it is the truth. Yeah man, Transport Authority them not really target. We like how them would target a regular taxi man. So me the kinda shock a little way. There is a shock, you know, kinda, you know. Yeah. I said them stop me. Anyways, they stop me now and you know. And them stop no, not only just taxi man, but the taxi man them are them most target. Them normally target taxi man. And people with a green plate. Yeah. You know, cause the green plate them, you have to go to Transport Authority to get the green plate. So them really target the most. Yeah. But I don't want to stray from the conversation. So anyway, them stop me. The police them say, you know, so what they must say and think, but they must say the Transport Authority examiner and them go deal with me. Yeah. So anyways, you would spin the steering to the left, spin the steering to the right and think. When me did that thing, I know say I'm going to spot the crack in the thing. But I just tell because it's obvious it did it. Anyways, him spot the crack in the thing and him in the windscreen and him say, him have to go rip my plate because my windscreen crack. And think I said, John was sorry. I got to take off my plate. I not go and drive without the plate. Anyway, me there I try beg it out and think, you know we are Jamaican, we try beg out everything. Yes. So me there I try beg it out and think, beg out nah. Anyways, them do them do. The police write me a ticket. Yes. For $10,000 ticket me get. Yeah man. Serve me well. Yes. Yes. They make an example out of me. Anyways, I know, I get me $10,000 ticket and Transport Authority also write me a little form. Them call it a form, but I don't know. That not look like farm to me. Anyways, they write me a form for me to take to tax office. And then after me left tax office with that now, me have to go I have to go back to the examination depot so them can check through, see that I put in the windscreen and also check if me have any other problem. Because they must say me not fit for the on the road if my windscreen crack. Yeah, and them check for other things and things too. Anyways, me I tell you say, alright, I go so boom now and thing. But then you know I continue upon my journey and thing, and I think through the issue and so forth. You know, me I think through it, and so come here I say right now them go with my license plate and them say 24 hours you can drive in other condition there without your plate. Yes. So anyways, now I say 24 hours, you know, if I go back to Portland, 24 hours I might end up a run out because my license plate the way in Kingston, you know, yeah man, in a St. Andrew, you know, it a go there Constant Spring police station. So I say, you know, so I'm not go back to Portland because if I go Portland, I might end up I take public transportation to get the match done, you know what I mean, because the 24 hours might end up run out for me. So anyways, I go back to Portmore and thing. Well, before me even go back to Portmore. No, we not reach back to Portmore yet. Anyways, while me dep on a little journey, so me I go to Portland and think me stop and make some calls, check some places for the windscreen and thing, and me get through to one company where reasonable, yeah, cause me I tell you say me did I check and find out say the thing expensive. Yes. Cause one place I tell me say 54,000. I'm like, what? 54,000? I don't have that yet. Anyways, I call along some place and thing until I get through to one place where say 34,000. What a big difference. Yeah man, so you know 34,000, that sound good to me. So anyways, I head to the location there and thing and pay for get the windscreen change and them do them off it and get it changed. Good thing somebody have one credit card, yes. Even though them bash NCB so much, NCB get so much backlash, big them up because they have an NCB card, and big them up because in a COVID time, them did reach out to me and offer me the credit card, yes. So I may not have to use to fix things, yes, so. Yeah man, so anyways, fix things, you know, remember 24 hours I work with now. Yes. Fix things and go home and think and say, alright, I wake up early in the morning to go tax office. Because you know, my 24 hour run. So anyway, I wake up early, go to tax office, yeah, over Portmore there. And think, me swear things say, I go see one big line, you know, me think I go see a whole heap of people, but it look like say most of the people them gone for Christmas shopping. So I didn't look that one there, so I never did have to wait too long. Anyways, now I go so boom now. And go in, got the cashier and pay for the fee. The fee cost $6,300. Yeah, so I pay for the fee at tax office now and thing and get it. Now I have to head to the examination depot now. So then upon my journey, I go to the depot now from the tax office. Me hear, you know the police alert sound there, yeah man. So me hear that behind me and I want to go and realize the police them have stopped me first. Police ever stopped me from behind me, yes. First. Yes, so anyways, well, I think my experience for the first at that time there. Anyways, I stop and think and I see them jump out and think, yeah, they think they're a criminal, you know, and jump out. About 5 of them also jump out at the police one, yeah man. So them jump out and think and ask me why I drive the car without license plate. So I explain to them and tell them, say, I get a ticket yesterday and I have 24 hours to drive without a plate because you know the police also take my plate. So they must say, so and your drive go to the tax office without the plate. And I say, yes officer, because I have 24 hours. Them say, they want to see the papers them. So Anyways, show them the paper, me show them the ticket, say yes or yesterday. Me get the ticket. The Farm World Transport Authority right to me, you know, with the whole date situation and thing. Some people, I tell you, some people, somebody a pause and I say fire have a burn. Anyways, yeah man, so me I say, which one there now? You see, get a little distracted a while ago. So anyways, I know, the paper where Transport Authority write me, no, you know, the whole date thing, you know, some people put all the year. They know them kind of write it one type of way, like the year before, and then the day, and then the month. So, to me, to I write it kind of back way one type of way. So, they look like a 2018. Because it's supposed to be the 18th of the 11th, 2025, something like that. So, it look like, say, so I know them put 25. Yeah, them put 25 for the date, for the year. Anyways, now it seems to the police them like a 2018. And then I'm like, that might know. I say, why the police would have said this a date here, show 2018. Anyways, when they come, I know say everything what me do correct and me na breach. Because me have my 24. Good thing now, me have a ticket with me in the car. Same way. So I show them the ticket and thing, and next police officer look for it and I say, yeah man, see the ticket I show yesterday and thing. Them say them will give me the benefit of the doubt and I can go on about my business. Yes, so now I go on about my business and thing, continue my journey to the depot. Yeah, to the examination depot and do what I have to do, yeah. And thing, get back a form from them. I don't know why them keep saying it is a form. Or a little piece of paper like receipt. Anyways, bring it back. Now I forgot a Constant Spring now. Forget back the license plate. So I go to the police station now and give them the paper and get back my license plate. Yes. So get back the license plate, and could I tell you that my 24 hour never up yet? Yeah, man, my 24 hour never up yet. So I get back the license plate in less than 24 hours. I get back the windscreen in less than 24 hours. So the police did make an example out of me. Look at that. I get everything done in less than 24 hours. Yeah, man, I fix things because, you know, girl now know say girl can't drive, you know, because they take your license plate, you know. So you know, say trouble there. So big up each and everyone, you know what I mean. Hope this story inspire you guys and learn from this mistake. You know what I mean. Don't break the laws. But you know what, Jamaicans, we take risks all the while and thing. And it's good to take risks, but just make your risk them worth it, you know. And thing, yeah man, make the risk them worth it and thing. And sometimes when you really and truly break the law before you even learn the law. Yeah man, before you even learn how things really run. You know what I'm way there? So that's how it goes. So big up each and everyone again. Do remember like up the video. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a situation like this, just comment and let me know. Just share your experience getting a ticket or, you know, something similar to this and thing. And just let me know if you love this kind of reasoning, this kind of vibe, so I can share more like this with you guys. Because I have more, you know. Yeah, I have more. So just stick and stay with me. You know what I mean? Bless up on yourself. All the best for the new year. Yeah, man. Enough respect to all my viewers, to all my subscribers near and far. Big up on yourself. Don't make the police them make the example out of that. Oh no, don't be like Dalvy. Yeah, guys. I tell you, say, I want ball in the head. But due to me know, say, I have a problem for a little while now. But the kind of just have to just keep me cool, same way and thing, you know. Yeah, me have a kind of just, no, say, I saw it go. Because did it with it a good while now, so when me get catch, me get catch. Yes, man. So big up each and everyone again. Heart of love to you. You know what I mean? Stay blessed. glass I come off now, you know? Glass I come off now. Yeah man, so I replace the glass right away. Guys, I don't know. Police them don't stick me up away already, so I just say, alright, time to change it now because it's a while now since me I work with it that way, yeah. So if me just get catch, me can't complain still. So see, you know, no glass I go in and thing, you know. Get a sticker and everything on it. So yeah, you know, start. A good look. Gone in.